Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Libras. You can also watch the pick a card love reading, guys, that will follow this general energy. So let's start with these cards first. We have these cards must be read straight, guys. Magician, Page of Fire, and Strength. So Libras, in your situation, guys, today you have inspiration overwhelming you today, maybe when you are making some choices in your work or in your relationship. You feel really inspired, confident, and very positive today. You have a positive intention in your heart, and you feel that you will be able to do anything and everything, confident about your skills and talents. And the inspiration that you feel, it may be because of the guidance you have in your heart, guys. So some kind of an intuition guiding you today, and you feel committed to this relationship or to your situation. You have dedication and you are very serious about this love. You want to make the right choices today for this person, and you want to proceed in a positive way in this relationship, in this connection, guys. And that is the reason you are ready to face anything for this person. You have courage, confidence, and firm belief and conviction overwhelming you, and you want to do everything in a proper way, guys. And you are able to overcome the difficulties you are facing. So it may be the obstacles you see in your life, in your work situation, or it may be some emotional obstacles you have in yourself. So you are having that confidence to overcome all that, and things are proceeding as it should in your situation, guys. Libras, so you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and even confident, and maybe that may be the reason you know what will work or what is the right path for you today. So maybe for some of you there are new opportunities in your work, or a great change taking place in this relationship, and you know what is the right thing to do, the right action for this love, for this connection, and whatever is supposed to reach you. So all that good things are reaching you today at the right appropriate time, and maybe divine timing is working in this love in your life, guys. So whatever is supposed to reach you is surely reaching you, Libras. So positive things are what I see for you in your work situation and your relationship, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, Libras. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for that pick a card love reading, guys. That is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards and 2 crystals. So you can either choose the cards or the crystals, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. So you can think about your situation or the questions you have in your mind. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate. So let's close our eyes and meditate, and I will start the reading after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for y'all. For those who chose this card, we have Spirit Quartz. So, with this card, guys, it just means that you need to reach out and connect with the people around you and discover the true power of gifts by sharing with the people you love, and willingness to put everyone's welfare ahead of our own small self for now, guys. So, with this card, it just means that by the way you are connecting with the person in this romantic love, you are showing the universe that you are deeply moved by this love and you are ready for a healthy romantic partnership today. And there are different ways love is approaching you today, guys. And with this abundance of love, you are moving towards the power to heal yourself and you are changing your vibration. So, with love in your heart, you are changing positively and your vibration is very positive today. And when we have positivity in our life, guys, it is going to attract more positive things for us. So, that is the energy with this card. So, when we are open to love, maybe for some of you, you are getting someone interesting, someone is coming towards you to propose to you, they are interested in you. And it is time you give up the expectations. Maybe you have certain dreams about someone and you are expecting people to match those dreams. But what is reaching you may be something not up to your dreams, but it may be something even much more better for you guys, this person. So that is the energy with this card. So you just have to give up the expectation you have today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, forgiveness. So with this card, guys, the energy is that today we are moving towards that healing energy. So maybe in our situation we would have done something we regret, we would have hurt someone maybe, or we are holding grudges or want to take revenge on someone. But this cycle of anger, resentment is not going to take us anywhere, guys. It is simply going to trap us. And by forgiving others, forgiving the person who has wronged us, we are just benefiting ourselves. So it allows us to heal and releases us from this cycle of blame. So forgiving does not mean that you need to forget what has been done. It just means that it allows both parties to move on positively with their lives. And forgiveness does not depend on you and the other person forgiving simultaneously, guys. So the sooner you forgive, it is good for you, and the sooner you accept forgiveness from that other person, it is going to be good for you, and you are going to heal much more faster, and you are going to see a change, a positive change in your situation, and you will simply heal from the painful memories that you had, and those memories are just going to vanish once you forgive this person, and you will be able to move on positively, have a brighter future, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.